The weather is nice now, and of course finding the perfect recipe that is quick and full of flavor can be a challenge. Where here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with jerk shrimp Caesar salad. So let's get started. Let's prepare the jerk seasoning. Now let's prepare the shrimp. Time for the jerk Caesar dressing. Real mayonnaise works best for this recipe. Fresh lemon juice is always better. Let's build the salad. Let's get a portion on a plate. time to add those amazing jerk shrimp. And of course, shredded Parmesan cheese. Caesar salad was created in 1924 by Cesar Cardini, an Italian immigrant and restaurateur in Tijuana, Mexico. Today, Caesar salad has become a staple in dining establishments worldwide. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the combination of jerk seasoned shrimp, classic romaine lettuce, and zesty jerk Caesar dressing results in a salad full of spice, zest, and freshness that is second to none. Perfect for lunch and dinner, this jerk shrimp Caesar salad is absolutely delicious. Please leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. That salad looks quick and full of flavor. Stay with us. Watch the next video.